EPA degree meteorologist Bobby Martin with your outlook for June 17th, 2021. If you liked yesterday's weather, which was about as fantastic as you could draw it from the middle of June, you're going to love today too, because we're looking at a very similar day, mostly sunny skies. We might have the temperatures bump up slightly by a degree or two from what we saw in yesterday's highs, but we're still very low humidity, still a trough settling over the northeast United States. That is going to be in process of exiting. And the trough here this morning is like this, okay? So it's going to be moving out in this direction like this today, and unfortunately taking the cooler low humidity temperatures and humidity with it. So we're going to be increasing humidity a little bit Friday. Nothing crazy just yet, though, but we're going to have the temperatures go up noticeably here on Friday. And there's a cold front that's going to be pushing toward the region here on Friday, but I don't think it quite gets here in time. So you have a partly cloudy day here expected on Friday, and temperatures that will be back into the 80s again. So we have this 80 to 85 degree range here for Friday. Today's 76 to 80. 80, of course, would be down by Philadelphia. Same thing here on Friday with temperatures in the middle 80s near Philadelphia. But we are going to warm up a little bit beginning on Friday, and then it's going to get quite warm over the weekend. It looks like this frontal boundary is going to come through and may touch off a shower Friday night, but then as we get to Saturday, it's just a partly cloudy day for the most part. GFS has just an isolated chance for an afternoon or evening shower or thunderstorm, and not a real big deal there. But when we get the NAM and range tomorrow, we'll have the NAM and range. We'll be able to get a little bit better timing associated with that. Right now, I could just say it's afternoon and evening is the opportunity for that isolated shower or thunderstorm chance here on Saturday. But temperatures are going to be increasing, and Saturday will likely be in this probably 84 to 88 degree range here for highs on Saturday. And it keeps getting hotter after that point. Once we get to Sunday, we have a frontal boundary out for south. It is going to be a lower humidity day because the frontal boundary went through, but temperatures are actually going to go up. So it's not like what you would think of a normal cold front where, cold front comes through, you think, oh, well, we're going to lower the temperatures a little bit. Well, this is it's not on the lead of a trough or anything. This is just something that's going to dry us out a little bit. So the humidity will lower a little bit Sunday, and temperatures will still be in the mid to upper 80s for highs here on Sunday. And then I think it peaks here on Monday. We have another system coming toward the region. Now, backing up a little bit, I just wanted to show you down here on Saturday, there's expected to be a tropical depression at the very least, maybe tropical storm Claudette, if it does form in time before it reaches the Louisiana or northern Gulf Coast line here. The GFS continues to show this system moving off to our south and east and staying there, and kind of weak and strung out here. Okay, so these are just remnants. We're going to watch this and keep an eye on it. The European model is a little bit more organized with this, as it has been over the last couple of days. And this system lately has been pressing further and farther southeast from what it had shown a couple days ago, where it was bringing rain here overnight Monday night. The time frame is still Monday night for this, if it were to occur. But it's getting closer and closer to being a miss. And then just these far southeastern areas on the European model are grazed, whereas the GFS doesn't have any graze from this. It just continues off the coast here. Now, there will be a partly cloudy day here on Monday, it looks like. Maybe an isolated thunderstorm in a few spots. This might be more heat of the day related, or maybe prefrontal trough related, because we have a cold front coming in on Tuesday. And there could be an isolated shower thunderstorm with that, but I think a lot of areas are going to make a run at the upper 80s to near 90 degrees for highs here on Monday. And then the cold front is going to come through on Tuesday, scattered showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. This is on the lead of another trough, so there could be some severe weather involved with this, depending on timing. But there is another trough coming in here behind this that's going to give us some cooler temperatures as we get beyond this and beyond our 7-day forecast period, which is going to be on, well, actually, no, Wednesday's not. Wednesday's going to be a mostly sunny day, and temperatures back down into the 70s for many of us. So lowering the humidity once again, too. This is another one of those transient troughs that we're expecting Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Friday of next week, but then we turn on the jets as we head toward the end of the month and going into the first week of July, where we expect above average temperatures during that stretch, and perhaps a heat wave or two that we are dealing with in the first half of July at a minimum, may even go longer than that. But again, we're going to watch this system here. This is the possible tropical storm or tropical depression that could hit the Louisiana coastline or somewhere close to that. The remnants are what we'd be looking for Monday night if it were to occur, and right now it's just rain. I mean, this would just be a rain event, not a wind event or any tropical characteristics at the time it gets up at this latitude. It should be picked up by this cold front, which is coming through on Tuesday. European model shows the same thing, where you have the scattered showers and thunderstorms late in the day. It just keeps this storm a little bit more intact as it moves through over the southeastern United States and eventually the mid-Atlantic before it exits. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for June 17th, 2021. Have a great Thursday.